But Mother Nature doesn't always get the final say on how hot it is or where we're going to live. In the last 50 years, we've pushed back against extreme heat, chilling our states and changing our map. Yes, we've cheated Mother Nature with air conditioning. Stan, what cities would not exist in the way they are now without these air conditioners?
Well, you wouldn't have Miami or Atlanta, Houston or Dallas, Las Vegas, or certainly not Phoenix. Los Angeles would probably be clinging to the coastline and would not have grown inland into the hotter areas.
You mean everyone in Los Angeles would live in Malibu? Take a look at what's happened to the most populous cities on our map. 1920 was the first time that any of the top 10 was west of St. Louis, Los Angeles, California. For most people, those western states were just too darn hot. In the states where there was no air conditioning, what year are we talking about?
Well, before 1960, only 12% of houses had air conditioning.
Then, air conditioners changed our lives and our map. In 1960, Houston enters our top 10 cities for the first time, soon followed by Dallas. As air conditioning spreads, Arizona stakes its claim with a red-hot Phoenix. And California plays host to 3 of our biggest cities. Now there's only 3 left in the east. That dramatic shift has had a huge impact on our map, our economy, and our government. How has air conditioning shaped our politics in the United States?
The Sun Belt has gained 88 seats in the House of Representatives over the Northeast and the Rust Belt since 1960. And that means 88 votes in the Electoral College to elect the president as well.
So are you suggesting if it weren't for the air conditioner, Al Gore might have actually been elected president?
A combination of air conditioning, migration, and the unusual nature of our electoral college system all combined to produce that result.
Thanks to air conditioning, we've changed where we live and how we live there. But there's more than one way